everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how you can develop or how you can code our nostalgic game, that is Super Mario with Python using pygame and other good stuff. So here is the code. If you want to get this code, just visit my GitHub profile. The link will be in description below. Please don't assume that you can develop this game by using only 40 line or 41 line of code, because if I'm using that images, I have to store that image in some folder. So this folder I have stored all my images that I will be providing in this game, characters, font and all. And in the class section you can see various codes of all those math and sound, pause and all those actions, like I have to run, I have to jump, and all those things, and all those codes are stored in these classes, and those characters are stored in this folder, like Mario, Koopa, Duck, and all those beautiful characters. And what is SFX? This is the sound of all those things that I'm doing in the game, like death, collecting those points, bumping, jumping on those things. And these are the levels, like 1 or 2 that I have shown in this game. So let's see how we can get this code. So just open my profile, that is github/Nirankar, and here just visit all those repositories, and I have made changes in these two repositories, like Python games and Super Mario Python. So in this you can get the code of all the games that I have created or I have uploaded in this repository, like Aircraft F1 or this one Super Mario. Or if you don't want this whole package, you can just download Super Mario game by using this link. Yep. So I think you must know how you can download this by downloading zip, or copy this link and clone at your desktop. So let's do it. Just create a new folder, name it anything, Super Mario game, and just git bash here. And if you don't know the basic command of git bash, I have made a separate video on this. You can click on the card above and you can go through all my video and you can learn the basic of GitHub. So git initialize, git init, and git clone, and that link I will paste here and enter. Now just wait for some couple of minutes while it download, and you can see a folder here that contain my all Super Mario files, like these, and let's close it. And yep, let's open this by using our PyCharm IDE. My IDE has been opened, and it is the first file that will be shown to you, that is Readme. It contains all the requirement and all the controls of this game. Just open this and main.py. This is the main file that contains all the links to my folders and images, and if I run this code, I will be able to play my game. So let's run this game. Run main. So at the first you will get this error or this dialog box. Basically this box is telling us to choose an interpreter, that is Python 3.7 or whichever you may be using. So Python 3.7 and run. So here is the game. Enjoy it with music or without music. Thank you very much for your patience and your precious time you have devoted in this video. And before we end this video, a small request for you guys, that please make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. With that, I want you to comment below and tell me how much you like this video and what are the changes I should make in next and upcoming videos. That's all for today. Keep loving, keep supporting. Goodbye. Love you.